Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a simple beer face mask. This easy method uses common kitchen ingredients to create a nourishing treatment for your skin. Beer contains beneficial B vitamins and yeast, which are known to help cleanse pores and reduce acne. Plus, its natural antioxidants can contribute to a brighter, more hydrated complexion. Get ready to give your skin a refreshing boost with this homemade remedy. Now let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of flat beer. A lager or ale works best. Next, grab 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, which offers lactic acid for gentle exfoliation. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of honey, known for its wonderful moisturizing benefits. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice to help brighten your skin. These common items are all you need to start your mask. Mixing this mask is incredibly easy. First, take a small, clean bowl. Carefully pour in your 1/4 cup of flat beer. Then, add the 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, followed by the 1 tablespoon of honey. Finally, squeeze in your 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Stir all these ingredients together thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Make sure there are no lumps for the best application. Once your mask is ready, apply it evenly to clean, dry skin, being careful to avoid the delicate eye area. Let this nourishing mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. After the time is up, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water until all traces of the mask are gone. Gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, revealing a refreshed and glowing complexion. Enjoy your new radiance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.